kilogram. Look carefully what we given solutions on measuring length. So 1 kilometer is equal to, what we are saying? 1 kilometer is equal to, what we can say which is suitable to write? We know well about that 1 kilometer is equal. We already learned in the metric system how to measure the length. Is it or not? So that's why 1 kilometer is equal, how much can you have? 1000 centimeters or otherwise 1000 meters or otherwise 100 meters or otherwise 10 meters. Can you answer for that? See here what we can say. 1 kilometer is equal to 10 hectometers. Okay. So 1 kilometer is equal to 10 hectometers. 1 hectometer is equal to 10 decameters. 1 decameter is equal to 10 meters. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1 hecto into 1 deca into 1 meter. So total 10 into 10 into 10, 1000 meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. The correct one among them, which is suitable to that. See here, centimeter by 100 is equal to millimeter, they said. Meter by 100 is equal to kilometer. Meter by 100 is equal to centimeter. 1 kilometer is equal to 100 meters. 1 kilometer is 100 meters is not suitable because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Then coming to the remaining situation, we already know that 1 meter is equal, what we can say, 10 decimeters. Already we learned that. And also 10 into 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeters. So 100 centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Means 100 in multiplication to the centimeter. If you transfer 100 to this side, 1 meter by 100 is equal to centimeter. What we can get? 1 meter by 100 is equal to 1 meter by 100 is equal to centimeter. Meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay. Coming to that, the result of a measurement is expressed in. The result of a measurement is expressed in. What that measurement is we are measuring? See here, 100 centimeter is a measurement. 100 centimeter is a measurement. Means number and unit is a measurement. So numbers and unit is a measurement. Which of the below you use to measure the curved line? Which we can use to measure the curved line? What we can, curved line should make what we should like as a thread. We have to place the thread. We have to place the thread along the curved path. Then that thread we have to place on the scale. So we need a thread and scale. Thread and scale. So 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. Before only written. Standard unit for measuring length. Length is measured by meter in SI system. Meter is the unit to measure the length. Meter is a standard unit to measure the length. Meter is a standard unit to measure the length in SI system. Centimeter is the unit to measure in CGS system. Meter is a standard unit SI system. Liter is a standard unit to measure the capacity or volume. Milliliter is a CGS system. Okay. Kilogram is a what we can weight unit to measure the weight in SI system. Those we have to recognize and note down that. Now, finished those. Then coming to that, some more to talk about that. Some more solutions will talk. Yeah, coming to that, some more we can talk about that. What have you used? What have you used to measure the height of your classmate in the class room. Coming to that, scale, cubic, foot span, hand span. And coming to that, one more we can talk. Find the correct precaution. Find the correct precaution. While using a meter scale. A meter scale. What is the correct precaution? No need of coincide. No need of coincide. 0 point on the scale. And coming to that, the scale will be placed anywhere else. And coming to that, our eye must be horizontal. Or horizontally above the point of coincidence. And coming to that, ensure that ends of the scale are not worn out. And coming to that, the thickness of coin is measured by scale, tape, chain, foot span. Then look one, what we are using, what we written on board. What have you used to measure the height of your classmates in the classroom? We already performed an activity. while you are measuring height of your classmates by standing at a particular height, that what is the device we were used? Cubit, a foot span, hand span, or scale. We are using a scale to measure the height. Is it or not? Find the correct precaution while using a meter scale. We already discussed how to use the meter scale to measure the length. We were discussed some of the precautions. What are those? No need of coincide 0 point on the scale. The zero of the scale should coincidence where from you started. So this is a wrong. They said no need. So it is need. The scale will be placed anywhere else. We should not place scale at anywhere. We have to place along the length. So it is also wrong. Our eye must be in horizontal, they said, but we should look vertically to the point where we are looking the scale. Otherwise, you may get what false values are not accurate. Ensure that ends of the scale are not worn out. Of course, the end should be perfect, not to be worn out. So this is the suitable answer. Coming to that, the thickness of coin is measured by how to identify the thickness by using tape, chain, foot span, or scale, which we can use. Tape is possible to measure thickness of coin. Okay, note down that. Yeah, finish that. Let's talk about some more. Match the following: meter, centimeter, kilometer. So what we are going by? 10 millimeter, 1000 meter, 100 centimeter. And coming to that next, read the given sentence. So the meter is divided into 100 centimeter, and the length of the curved line, is measured by a tape only. Coming to that, the area of leak, no need. See here. And coming to that, one more, match the following. So one is 1 liter, second one is 1 centimeter, third one 1 meter. Coming to that, 1000 centimeter, and B 1000 milliliter, and C 10 millimeter. See one. Match the following: 1 meter and 1 centimeter, 1 kilometer, which are suitable for that. Look once carefully. So that is a 1 meter. So 1 meter is equal. So what is the suitable option here? 10 millimeter, 1000 meters, 100 centimeters. Which is suitable? 1 meter is equal 100 centimeter is a suitable. So that's why 1 meter is a 100 centimeters. 1 centimeter is equal 10 millimeter, of course. So 1 kilometer is equal 1000 meters. So suitable for that. Is it or not? Coming to that, the meter is divided into 100 centimeters. Is it correct or not? 1 meter is equal 100 centimeters. It is divided into 100 centimeters. So it is the correct. And the length of the curved lines is measured at tape only. Curved paths, curved lines we are used thread and also scale we used. Thread and also scale we used to measure that. Is it or not? Of course. And coming to that, it is not correct. So match the following: 1 liter is equal. 1 liter is equal. What we can say? How many milliliters? 1000 milliliters. So B is suitable. 1 centimeter is equal 10 millimeter. So that 1 meter is equal 100 centimeters. Okay? Note on that. Now finish that. Coming to that. Coming to talk about that, what instrument do we use to measure the length of the book? What instrument do we use to measure the length of the book? The length of the book. What we can use the device? We can use the device is a scale. To measure the length of your classroom, what do you use? To measure your length of classroom. Length of classroom, we are using as a tape. And coming to that, already we know that 1 meter is equal, 1 centimeter is equal, and 1 kilometer is equal. What are those? Already we discussed. 1000 meters is equal to 1000 meters is equal to how many kilometers? How many kilometers? Can you write that answer? How many kilometers? Centimeter and millimeter. Centimeter and millimeter. Marking our seam on. Marking our seam on. What we can look on those? Those are in small scale. Those are in small scale. Coming to that, to measure, what we can see here, what we have to use that if you want, see the distance, want to see the distance between two villages, what units are considered? What units are considered? What units are considered? Okay, and coming to that, what I'm giving to you, see that this is the A figure, and this is what I'm giving to you. This is figure B. What is that? Figure B. Okay. See that carefully, look once. What I'm saying to you. What instrument do we use to measure the length of the book? If you want to measure the book length, length of your book, which device you can use? Scale. To measure your length of classroom. To measure your length of your classroom, what you have to use? Tape. 1 meter is equal, already written, 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal 10 millimeter. 1 kilometer is equal 1000 meters. 1000 meters is equal to how many kilometers? 1000 meters is equal to how many kilometers? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Before only written. So how much this is? 1 kilometer. Centimeters and millimeters are marked seen where? In small scales. If you want to see the distance between the two villages, what unit is suitable? Long unit means a greater unit or big unit to measure the length, kilometer. The both figures are equal in the same. equal size or same size. Both figures are equal size, and what you can say, both are equal. Both are equal because sizes are same. According to length and breadth, same are same. Both are same. So note down that. Yeah, finished. Then coming to the right, some more. Coming to that, to talk about cloth vendor. Cloth vendor uses this instrument. Uses this instrument. Which instrument used by cloth vendor? So cloth vendor we can use what? Meter scale. This is that meter scale. Coming to that, dash is used to find the area of irregular surface. Irregular surface. What we can say? Irregular shape. We have to use graph paper. What you have to use? Graph paper. And coming to the roads and buildings department use the unit measurement. R&D department, roads and buildings department using this instrument to measure the road distance, to measure the road distance. See here, R&D department. What is that? R&D department, roads and what is buildings department. See, road and building department using the what instrument to measure. Means the measuring instrument is what ma? Kilometer. What is that? Kilometer unit they are using to measure the distance, road distance. So cloth vendors are using what type of instruments to that? Meter scale. What is that? Meter scale. Understand? What is that? Yeah, finish that. So keep in learn what we finish, the solution, and also previous lessons what we finish. So to practice our online test. So see you in the next class. Have a good day to you.